an announcement to make. If I don't know if people are aware of this, but 24 Filipinos have been in detention in Irkutsk for how many months now? Nine months. Wala tayong balita. Hindi natin malaman kung ano ng kalagayan nila. As far as we know, hindi naman sila nakasuhan. Pero wala tayong makuha masyadong information hanggang ngayon. Nung nag-bilateral meeting kami ni President Putin, binanggit ko ito. At nagulat din siya. Sabi niya, hindi ko alam yan. Pag-aaralan namin, tignan namin ng nangyayari. Nung dinner kagabi, kinausap niya ako, sabi niya, nakita na namin yung sitwasyon. We found out where the 24 Filipinos are. We found out what the problem is with their case, with their situation. And first of all, he said, they have not been charged with any wrongdoing, but they have still been kept in detention for 9 months. So I said, as a request, especially speaking for the families, kung pwede naman, we can find a way that they be we get some information about them. Unang-una. Pangalawa, na makahanap naman tayo ng resolution. Siyempre, respetado natin ang batas ng Russia, respetado natin ang kanilang pamahalaan. Ngunit, kung may paraan, sana magawa natin. And ginawa niya na paraan. Sabi niya, I remember the last thing he said last night after we were talking about it. He said, don't worry, we will find a way. We will find a way to fix this problem. And now, the 24 Filipinos will be released. They are ready for deportation tomorrow by 5 p.m. So those 24 will be going home, back to the Philippines, and back to their families. Okay.
That's it. Thank
All
you
right.
very much.